From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I'm Student Meteorologist Gavin Sandel with your Wednesday evening forecast. Let's take a time-lapse view of Beaver Stadium on this Valentine's Day. We have had a lot of passing clouds, but it has been a generally nice day. Minute by minute as we go through today, the snow on Jeffrey Field and the fields adjacent have been melting. And really, it is just 34 degrees, but what that really tells us is that we're getting further and further from that winter solstice. And that February sun can really take a toll on the snow, and really that's what's causing the snow melt. Right now, though, let's talk about the weather headlines. We are going to have a nice, clear, seasonable day today, though going into tomorrow, we'll have 2 rounds of snow possible, that being tomorrow and also going into Saturday. We will start to get chilly once that second system moves its way out. I will talk about that in just a moment. Temperatures right now, though, like I said, seasonable, 34 degrees in State College. Really, across the entire state, we are seeing nice, maybe mid to upper 30s with the exception of a 28 right in the northern portion of the state in Bradford. And what isn't shown here is a nice northerly wind driving down from Canada, which is actually bringing our dew points down. So if you are walking out and you notice that dry skin on your hands, that is not just you, it's the dew points right now, just 12 degrees in State College. What that equates to is about a 30 to 40% relative humidity, even drier in Williamsport, about 20% on the relative humidity scale. Not much else to talk about on the radar right now. It is clear some of those clouds that were trying to funnel its way into State College have burned out, but I do want to talk about a little system that looks pretty unassuming up in Minnesota and South Dakota. That's actually called an Alberta Clipper, which is a very fast-moving low-pressure system that kind of skirts its way across the upper Midwest into our region, which will actually impact us tomorrow, and I'll time that out. Going into Thursday, we should be clear, but maybe at about the early afternoon hours in the western portions of the state, that's when they'll start to notice rain, and going into the rest of the afternoon, that rain will start to move through. Whether it's rain or snow here, we don't know, because we're going to be teetering right at about those upper 30s, right at that rain-snow temperature line. But the one thing that is for certain is this low-pressure system will move off very quickly. That's one of the characteristics of an Alberta Clipper. And it'll kind of leave us with these lake effect, lake-enhanced snow showers going into the rest of the night Thursday, and potentially into the rest of the day Friday. Going into the weekend, though, for the thaw-on weekend here at Penn State, we will see a low-pressure system actually skirting its way south of us. Model guidance has actually showed that the low-pressure system might glide a little bit to the south of us, so we might not actually experience snow, but that's something that you might want to check on your apps or anything. But this looks like a very potent mid-Atlantic storm that will impact anywhere, so if you have relatives down there, I would definitely check and see how they're doing, and absolutely see if there's stuff going on there. Going into Sunday, though, we will have a very nice end to our weekend, and that goes into Monday as well. For tonight, though, our Valentine's Day date night, 20 degrees. That is pretty cool, but the wind department won't be fired up, just 5 miles an hour, so it should be a relatively calm night as well. Tomorrow, 40 degrees with that rain-snow mix at the end of the day. Whether it falls as rain or snow, we won't know, but the winds will pick up just a little bit, so it'll be very interesting to see what happens then. For our 7-day forecast going into the rest of the week, we will have that mixture on Thursday. Friday and Saturday look relatively calm other than that chance of snow. Then going into the start of the week next week, Monday and Tuesday, and especially Wednesday as well, look very comfortable in terms of temperatures. With that, I'm Student Meteorologist Gavin Sandel. Have a great night.